National Water and Sewage Corporation is a public utility that is 100% owned by the government of Uganda. It provides water and sewage services in urban centers across the country on a commercial and financially viable basis. As at June 2016, the corporation operates within 162 urban centers, serving an estimated population of over 7 million people. The number of towns is foreseen to grow as the corporation continues to pursue water for all. In 2013, the leadership of a new managing director, Dr. Engineer Silva Mugisha, the corporation reformed its strategic focus and launched the first ever 5-year strategic direction 2013 to 2018. This is aimed at gearing the corporation for transformational changes in its operational and geographical mandate. It highlights the corporation's contribution towards the national vision of transforming Uganda from a peasant to a self-sustaining economy.
Working with the board and the Ministry of Water, we set ourselves a 5-year strategic direction, looking at a number of areas, actually 10 areas. But the most important ones were the geographic expansion. We wanted to increase our footprint from the 23 towns we are in and reach as many Ugandans as possible. And as I talk now, you'll be surprised, we have increased our rate of doing our network from 80 kilometers per annum. We now do 1,400 kilometers.
In line with the strategic direction, National Water has formulated and implemented a series of innovative managerial programs aimed at achieving sustainable service delivery. Key among the programs is the Infrastructure Delivery Program, or ISDPs, currently implemented in all operational areas. In addition, the corporation is implementing water supply stabilization programs in all areas as a means to increase water production and supply.
Now the project which is going on in Gaba and is about to be completed is going to add 50 million liters per day. So I can say within the next 1 or 2 years, we should be able to really solve all the dry zones of Kampala.
National Water, under the Managing Director, Dr. Engineer Silva Mugisha, and his spirited management team have overseen the development and implementation of initiatives which cover geographical expansion, infrastructure service delivery, water loss prevention, community engagement, customer delight, service to the poor, innovation and external services. In the last financial year 2014-2015, the corporation extended 1,448 kilometers of water mains. National Water is on course to complete another 10,000 kilometers of water mains. At this pace of infrastructure growth, the corporation will be able to double the size of its current network in the next 4 years. This is a significant transformation in the business and service model of the corporation and has redefined National Water's role in the Uganda water sector and service delivery. Non-revenue water, as is the case with many water utility companies, especially in developing countries, is a major hurdle to effective service delivery. In 2014, programs were enacted to reduce non-revenue water from 33% to 30% in the space of 1 year. Among the programs was the proactive community-based illegal water use reduction program codenamed WALOP, where the corporation partnered with the police and community to fight illegal water use and hence reduce water theft.
We also have some of our people who don't want to pay and they want to steal our water. Illegal connections, you have seen our staff in the field there working with police, arresting people who are stealing water. There is vandalism of our facilities, people wanting to steal meters, go and fabricate other things out of them. So it is a challenge which is really hampering us.
As a company that seeks to be part of the communities in which it operates, National Water has taken the message of water for all to every community. This has been majorly through the Water Community Communication Clubs, or WACOCO, effective engagement with religious institutions and centers, publication of opinion pieces in local dailies, and airtime on radio and television stations. This has improved the corporation's reputation and reduced incidences of misinterpretations between the corporation and its customers. The corporation established and launched a modern full-contact 24-hour call center in order to improve customer care. All this is aimed at ensuring customer delight. National Water has also adopted a 24-hour social media platform for readily responding to tweets from customers and keeping the world updated on the corporation's programs and developments. Using the in-house IT team, the corporation has developed a number of in-house innovations that have greatly enhanced customer service. One of them is the e-payment system, where National Water and Sewerage Corporation partners with banks and telecom companies to enhance customer convenience when settling water bills.
This system has made life easier for us. For example, I'm a kind of person who's very busy. I'm in different places in different times or hours. And because of the system that was introduced by the bank and National Water, I always pay my bills on time. I don't spend long hours in queues, and I find that I'm not disconnected.
Service to the urban poor remains one of the biggest challenges for most utilities in Africa. The corporation has also systematically increased the number of prepaid public water points in a bid to improve service for urban poor communities. Over 200 public sanitation facilities have also been built to complete the water and sanitation chain.
We commissioned this facility for the health and convenience of the people of Kawempe, for God and my country.
National Water has got an internationally recognized consulting arm, which is the External Services. This element provides advisory services to various organizations in Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Zambia, Nigeria, Ethiopia, Rwanda, Trinidad and Tobago, Bangladesh, among others.
The National Water and Sewerage Corporation External Services Department was birthed in 2005, and this was following a long history of reforms that had been undertaken by the National Water and Sewerage Corporation. During that time, NWSC took a number of internal reforms, and one of them was the embracement of private sector approach to the way we do business, not only looking at water and sewerage services as a service, but bringing in the components of commercialization and ensuring that the organization was financially viable.
In April 2016, National Water and Sewerage Corporation was voted the African Water Utility for the year 2016 during the Africa Utility Week held in Cape Town, thanks to the sterling performance of its external services.
We started the consultancy based on an approach of partnership in which we both gain. The utilities that we serve, we learn from them and bring back those ideas back here and utilize them to improve the way we work. We also realized that the external services was a very good platform for marketing National Water, marketing the good things that we had done.
I'm engineer Mrs. Agbeyola Bisa Ayola, the General Manager, Ekiti State Water Corporation, Ekiti State, Nigeria. Let me say something about the National Water Sewerage Corporation. They start there, we can see teamwork in them. They have integrity, they are dedicated to the job, and they are honest. They are very, very friendly.
Our dream is to be, and we are, a center of excellence, to be the leader in ensuring that utilities thrive, especially now as we try to address the issues of sustainable development goals.
The corporation launched the School Water and Sanitation Clubs, or SWAS Clubs, an initiative that targets the next generation who are the school-going children. Through the SWAS Clubs, National Water creates awareness about water and sanitation in the country through sensitization and empowerment of children who become water and sanitation ambassadors. The SWAS Clubs have been rolled out in over 150 schools across the country, where each school holds water and sanitation days with activities including poems, games, debates, essays, quizzes, skits, drama, green campaign or tree planting, wash technology innovations, and school talks.
We have taught people how to use toilets like demonstrated before. We have provided dustbins in every class.
The corporation also works with young water professionals to spread the message of water sanitation and the environment. With responsive leadership, innovation, and practical approaches, the corporation is set to maintain the well-balanced growth and its priority focus on water for all so as to serve as many people as possible while working to ensure that most of the towns are self-sustaining. This will surely lead to the fulfillment of water for all for delighted customers by a delighted workforce.